Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Angelo on Wheels, and over here I have a 2023 Ford Explorer ST. This one is brought to us courtesy of Apple for Lincoln here in Columbia, Maryland, and it's currently available for sale. I'm gonna put the links in the description. We're gonna do a quick walk around, check out some of the details of this car. This is definitely a sleeper. So looking at the grille here, the Explorer ST has like a blacked out look to it. So the grille is like a gloss black. The lamps are blacked out and it looks really sharp on this color of this paint. So this paint is called Star White. Very aggressive grille actually. If you see this thing pulling up behind you, you might think it's a cop. Over here on the side profile, so this one has the street package. So you get the upgraded wheels, which are going to be 21-inch blacked out wheels with the red performance brake calipers. In my opinion, these are probably some of the sharpest wheels that you can get on the Explorer. I've actually had a couple of customers that wanted these wheels on the new 25 because they didn't like the width of the new 25. So it's a very sharp wheel. A little bit more of that black trim. A little black accent on your door handles, and it's got a very nice curve down the middle. Kind of just checking out the body of the car. Now I like that it has very minimal badging. So here, we're pulling up behind it, you see the ST logo. You got the quad tip exhaust. Again, you have the gloss black finish, very minimal Explorer, very minimal badging. Very nice angles to this car. Very underrated. It's a sleeper for sure. Engine on this one is going to be a 3-liter EcoBoost engine with about 400 horses and 450 pound-feet of torque, and it's punchy. So EcoBoost is turbo, so this is a 3-liter 6-cylinder twin turbo engine. Think about that, twin turbo. It's got 2 turbos. There it is, guys. 3 liters, 6 cylinders, twin turbos. Has this bar here for extra stiffness to the chassis. You can check out the space inside. Very sharp finishes, metal finishes, a little sunshade. Let's get in here. This is a very spacious interior. Passengers get heated seats on this one. So this is pretty much a platinum with a sports package. Very nice comfy seats here. Check out that room. Panoramic roof. Very generous third row. Again, very nice finishes. You got the memory seat here. Everything that you touch is gonna feel real nice. The seats have special embroidery up here for ST with some white stitching. It's a very comfortable seat actually. And it's gonna be a heated seat and a cool seat. Alrighty guys, so here we are inside of this Explorer ST. It's a very nice interior. You do have a sporty wheel here. Very nice feel to it. You got paddle shifters back there. And it is gonna be a heated wheels, which is gonna turn that off. Turn that off as well. Over here, you get a whole bunch of information on this dash. So this one does have the Copilot 360 Plus. So you'll get the adaptive cruise control. Everything's gonna be right here for you. Just different settings on the vehicle. And since this is all Explorers are gonna have, this is the mode selector. So there's different modes here. So if I turn that dial, saves you a little bit on gas. Sport mode. This car is already a pretty quick car. Well, look at that. We're gonna put it back. We're gonna put it in sport mode. Get a good feel for it. Over here on your center console, this was a little controversial, this screen here. You know, biggest thing is because when you do that, it does that. So you got like all this blank space here. You know, it doesn't really matter to me, but I could see how some people can kind of, you know, pick that apart. But other than that, it's a very nice display. It does have Apple CarPlay and it does have Android Auto. Very nice. So everything that you touch feels really nice. So from your shifter, so this has a nice cool metal finish to it. Your armrest here, very soft, very nice place to brace your elbow at. Got the panoramic roof, of course. That's an option. So you'll see some STs out there that will not have the panoramic roof. Well, you know what? Let's take this thing for a drive. Let's get a feel for it. Alrighty, guys. So let's go. Let's get on this POV drive. You can definitely feel the power already. You know, you feel like the hum of the engine. Those brakes do bite. All right, let's go. Twin turbo, EcoBoost. The power is on tap. You know, and the sport mode, what it's doing is holding the shifts a little bit longer. I'm gonna put it back in normal mode just because that's how it'll be driven most of the time. So let me come to a stop here. Yeah, this thing is a sleeper. Unless you don't know what it is, like if you just pull up to this car and you think it's just another Explorer, you're gonna learn. Let's put it back in normal. This is how it would be driven most of the time anyway, so let's go. So when you really think about it, you know, there's some fast SUVs out there, but the only thing that I can think of that's kind of comparable to this is going to be the Durango RT. You know, cars like that with the V8, I think they make a Hellcat Durango as well. That is crazy, but so this probably compares to the Durango RT, which is a very nice car. You know, it has a V8 in it. You cannot get that unless I think Mercedes might get you a V8, but now you're spending a whole bunch more money. This right here, the way that this car is equipped, you know, with a twin turbo, 6-cylinder, 400 horses, 450 pound-feet of torque, and that's plenty of power for the street. It honestly feels great. And it does have that on and off technology, which most new cars do. So it'll save you a little bit of gas there, or it'll annoy you. One of the two. It doesn't bother me. All right, let's go. So we are gonna open up this car a little bit. Feel some of that power. And this car is currently for sale. I'm gonna put the links in the description. Alrighty, guys, so. All right, let's get a feel for this car. Explorer ST. Yeah, this car definitely does move. Has a very nice sound to it. Like it sounds great. Definitely, you know, it definitely does move. It's very sharp. It's got all the safety technology. So you got like the lane keep assist stuff, the forward collision alert, the automatic braking. It's got the adaptive cruise control. think this car, because of the year and the miles, is currently priced somewhere in the mid 40s. However, you know, you can find some in the high 30s depending on mileage and condition. This is a great car. Very comfortable. The seat's very comfortable. So I really can't complain about the Explorer ST. I'm gonna bring it around here. Check out this turning radius. The steering wheel is just sharp. Very minimal input. It just responds. If you're in the market for one of these, man, just get it. Nothing compares to it. And that's me doing halfway throttle. I don't want to go all the way because it's not my car, but that's halfway throttle right there. And you know, that's the kind of performance that you want. You know, this thing's great. Excellent braking. The car just responds. It's time to take this thing back. Yeah, that doesn't get old, man. Anyway, I'll see you guys at the end. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for making it this far. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit the like button. Let me get a comment, let me get some feedback, and subscribe. I got more stuff coming up. Thank you. Peace.